Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all which is called The Botanicals for the week of July 10th through the 16th. July is going super quick. So Crafty Planner is what I'm going to be using from Live Love Posh, and of course the summer sticker book from Mojo Jojo. I love those colors. I think they match so well. So we're going to be creating a crafty spread. Super excited because again, how often do you get to actually create a spread about your hobby? So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add these big boxes and I'm going to draw a checklist in those. In case you were wondering, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few of those. And as I do, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time, if you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here to create with me. So I'm going to be using, of course, the checklists from Check It Off, from Mojo Jojo as well. I love how thin and functional they are. So this girl seriously speaks to my heart with creating all of these functional stickers because, oh my gosh, I don't know what I would be doing without it, because I am definitely a functional planner that likes to decorate, but function comes first. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a corner piece. So right here, I think it's so beautiful. The whole desk, the green, beautiful item, like the chair, it's so gorgeous. So pink and green, another pink spread, I know. And I keep saying I'm not a pink girl and I create this pink spread, but I like the items. I don't necessarily like the color, okay? I know, strange. I'm gonna go ahead and put these roses down as well. Look how beautiful with the green. I think it's the green that gets me, you guys. Seriously. Okay, let's add a couple more things, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these checklists down on the back of my hand, maybe. I don't know why it is that I keep stickers on the back of my hand. It became a habit many moons and many years ago, and it's going to continue because half the time, I don't even know that I do it. It's not intentional. Okay, so let's put this in. Beautiful. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this sticker right there, Chanel and Vogue, and all the fancy stuff that I really like, actually. So, and Dior. Okay, so I'm gonna add that flower vase right here. I love how it has like the ombre of green and pink. And then of course, let's add a girl. If there's a girl in the collection, you better believe that she is going on that paper. Okay, now let's add a few more items. They are so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add more boxes. I need my work schedule. This is back to work, regular work week. Yeah, I know, right? So fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll add all of these boxes for regular work week and work schedule and go from there. This one's crooked. Let's try to fix it. Maybe I can just put it on the line so I have more room for decorations. Okay, let's put this right here. And then Thursday. And then Friday, I'm back to creating videos because, yeah, why not? Anyway, so let's keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the lines to all of my boxes. Yes, but this time I'm just gonna do lines and not the actual full checklist. So I am pretty careful because the checklist is for the boxes and not necessarily for the sticker boxes. So I'm gonna be careful not to go over and like make a mess. Yeah. Okay, so there's this. I think that looks great. I actually like it more than with the checklist. Okay, good to know. I learned something about myself today with you guys, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add a spread right here. Spread. A long box. You guys, I can't talk today. I don't know what I'm saying. Long box up here for all of my weeklies. And then I can now fully decorate because I know where everything is going. Okay. Let me move it to this side. I don't know why I like it on my left side instead of the right, but that's what I like. So I'm gonna add this little, I don't even know what would you call these, like little bookmarks. Little bookmark sticky notes. I don't know, but I do like them. I'm gonna add a box for Friday because I'm sure I'm doing something, and then a box for Sunday because I'm sure I'm doing something. And then a box for Tuesday. And for now, I'm gonna call it a day and add more stickers. Look at that green Starbucks coffee, you guys. And I'll add this pencil. I'm gonna add it like halfway through the box. What do you guys think? So it's like on top of the box. I don't know. We will see what happens. I want to add a few more things, kind of make it cutesy. It's not, let's add this mug with flowers right here. I think that works pretty well. Hello, gorgeous, it says. I'm gonna cut this flower in half, add some flowers into here, like so. And then on the side of this box, kind of fill in that space. I think that looks really, really good. And then I'm gonna add another one of those sticky notes on top of that box. I think that's pretty good too. And then I'm almost done. It just misses something. I'm gonna add like a little flower here. I'm gonna add something to that long to-do list in the sidebar. I think that needs something as well, because you guys know that I love a full spread. Let's add this little pin clip. Like how cute. It's holding my to-do list. And then I'm gonna add this little crown right there. Not that it makes sense, but I did it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in my planner, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Thanks so much for joining today. I'm just gonna write this week on the side because the top is busy. Okay, and then let's pop this back in, and that's it. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!